Hello everyone, welcome to Lab. This video will teach you how to use the Control inpaint tool to correct details while preserving your original design. Let's check it out. This is an image generated using the render tool. The atmosphere is nice, but some original design elements were changed. Now I will show you how to correct the architectural details. To match the base design, click the Send to Edit Toolset button, and the image will be transferred to the Control inpaint tool. You can also drag the generated image directly into the base image box of Control inpaint. The Shape Control Image Model Base will be uploaded automatically. Click Edit Mask and use the polygonal lasso to mask the building area. Once done, click Confirm. You will see that the Shape Control image now also highlights only the building area. The principle behind Control inpaint is the masked area will be regenerated based on the shape and material information in the Shape Control image. Here we want the regenerated building to retain the materials and details from the Shape Control image. So set the control strength high and set preserve materials to a medium level. Since the control image has rich detail, you can enable 4 megapixel resolution for better results. We're regenerating the building area, so select the architecture template. You can enter a prompt if needed, or leave it blank. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the image will be ready. The new image preserves the original design while refining the architectural details. In addition, Control inpaint can also be used to add new elements to the image. For example, if I want to add a tree to this image, upload the image to Control Paint, then upload the tree image as the Shape Control image. Click Edit Mask, and first adjust the tree size and position. Here is a quick tip for selecting just the tree in the template. Use the Magic Wand tool to select the white background, then invert the selection. After that, use the Polygon Lasso Subtract mode to remove anything outside the tree. Finally, click Confirm. Lower the control strength and preserve materials a bit, and keep the default resolution settings. Select the Landscape Elements Tree template. You can choose 1 to 4 images. Click Generate, and after a short wait, the image will be ready. The result looks great. Give it a try yourself.